front of the best people and the best culture in UK food manufacturing.
Cheers! So we're at Pukka Pies in Syston, Leicester, and today we are celebrating the successful implementation of Redzone into our factory. So all 4 modules are being introduced here. So we have productivity, compliance, learning and reliability. So we're super excited to be able to sing all of our successes and praises.
So the direct benefits have been really obvious for the factory. Right from productivity, we've achieved 10% uplift in 100 days.
The performance uplift isn't just about the managers and the line leaders, it's about everybody contributing to the performance and then having that ownership and feeling part of something.
The first thing that I kind of noticed and the benefit that we got from the system was the ability to communicate. It's lots of recognition. People love the, the rally cries and the high five.
I think one very important bit on Redzone is actually the translation button. We are in a country where it's so mixed cultures, so having that icon there to help people understand and actually be trained correctly, I think is a very good feature in Redzone.
So we achieved the paperless in 60 days. So good. The results straight in front of us. We don't need to wait for anything.
I'm always looking for the next challenge. Creating videos is something that I've never done before.
So they can watch it on Redzone as a video and then have a quiz after. So it's a bit more exciting, I'd say.
One of our top engagers is here with us today, and that's Corinne. If you could give her a round of applause, please, Corinne. Corinne just exemplifies everything that we need through Redzone. Her engagement is fantastic. It keeps people engaged, informed, and if you can all join me in giving her a round of applause, that would be great.
But we had confidence that our culture would make this a genuinely fun day, and we've got people outside smiling, and I've got my security guard just as the greatest showman.